Welcome to DONNA, a Sunseeker 76 yacht from 2023 with plenty of custom features. Let's check her out. With 4 spacious cabins, each with their own ensuite, DONNA is the perfect yacht to entertain guests, friends and family, all with their own privacy. DONNA has this beautiful open-plan saloon galley area with a custom bar perfect for drinks at anchor. Based in the prestigious Puerto hotels, this unique Sunseeker 76 yacht is available for viewings. Contact us now for more information.